Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of investing with a popular app called Acorns. Now, you might be wondering, who exactly owns this little acorn? Well, that's what we're here to find out. Acorns is a micro-investing app that makes it super easy to start investing, even if you're just starting out and don't have a ton of money to spare. They round up your purchases and invest the spare change, making it a painless way to grow your wealth over time. But who's behind this clever little app? Let's take a look at the ownership structure of Acorns. Acorns ownership structure. Acorns is a privately held company, meaning it's not publicly traded on a stock exchange. This means that its ownership is concentrated in the hands of a smaller group of investors. At the top of the ownership pyramid, we have Noah Kerner, the co-founder and CEO of Acorns. He's the driving force behind the company and holds a significant stake in it. Next in line are a group of venture capital firms that have invested heavily in Acorns over the years. These firms include Sequoia Capital, a renowned venture capital firm with a long history of investing in successful companies like Google, Apple, and YouTube. Greylock Partners, another top-tier venture capital firm that has backed companies like Airbnb, Dropbox, and LinkedIn. Bain Capital Ventures, a growth-stage investor that has supported companies like DocuSign, Slack, and Twilio. Wells Fargo Strategic Capital, the venture capital arm of Wells Fargo, one of the largest banks in the United States. These venture capital firms have provided Acorns with the financial backing it needed to grow and expand its services. In return, they own a portion of the company and have a say in its strategic direction. Acorns Partnerships. In addition to its ownership structure, Acorns has also formed partnerships with several other companies to expand its reach and offer new services to its customers. One notable partnership is with Wells Fargo, which acquired a minority stake in Acorns in 2019. This partnership allows Acorns to leverage Wells Fargo's extensive customer base and branch network to reach a wider audience. Acorns has also partnered with Starbucks to offer a co-branded rewards program that allows customers to earn Acorns investments when they make purchases at Starbucks. The future of Acorns. Acorns is a young company with a bright future. As the popularity of micro-investing continues to grow, Acorns is well positioned to capitalize on this trend and become a leading player in the fintech space. The company has already made significant progress in expanding its product offerings and reaching new customers. With its strong ownership structure and strategic partnerships, Acorns is well equipped to navigate the challenges of the future and continue to grow and innovate. So, there you have it. Acorns is a privately held company with a diverse group of owners, including its founder, venture capital firms, and strategic partners. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.